Okay, here we have a few Frigidaire units. And they actually are heat pumps, it looks like. There's a security camera right up there. Otherwise, I would say I'd definitely come back and try and get a defrost this winter. Or next winter. So, but I still might, we'll see. This is a 2-ton from 2009, I think. So, yeah. Yep, these are nice units. So, alright, oh, yeah, I guess over and out. Dakin inverter unit. Alright, here's a few more units. This one is really quiet, wow. A couple Goodmans right here. Copeland scroll. It looks like the Goodmans are actually straight cools. They cool the pool, so that's not surprising. This one's a 5-ton from 2017. This is a 3-ton from 2009. So, all right, I guess over and out.